Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to decor your front door for St. Patrick's Day. As you see, I already have like a general wreath up there that I made, and all I added was that let's shamrock on it just to spruce it up for St. Patrick's. So also I'm going to be putting something else up there, so you can see I have these ties that you can wear as necklaces, and I also have this little banner garland and some lights to light up the garland, so or my wreath there to make it spruce it up as St. Patrick's Day decor. So that's what I'm gonna do really quick for today, and it doesn't take but 5 or 10 minutes to do. So that's my door. By just adding little pieces here and there, that's the end of my project here. And so I use the 2 neckties at the end to give it a different look, like a tassel or just a decor for your door. And again, it's very easy to do. You can just add lights to your wreath that I made earlier in the year. Then I added the let's shamrock over it, and that spruces up your door. Okay, hello guys. Again, this is during the night. The garland has the lights on, and again, my lighting isn't that bright, but you get the idea. For St. Patrick's Day, this is the decor I used for my front door, and it looks nice. So you can put together anything to use for your St. Patrick's Day, for inside or outside. And again, thank you for watching my videos, and subscribe to my channel, and happy St. Patrick's Day. See you on the next one. Take care.